Today's video, I'm going to explain to you and show you how to change your clutch weights on the snowmobile. What you're going to need for tools: clutch holder. You're going to need your secondary tool to take your belt off. You're going to need an Allen wrenches, and you're going to need a small socket, 7/16 I believe, 3/8. It's a 3/8 to take the bolts out of the weight. Screw this in. Your secondary belt comes off, or your belt. Okay, we have our belt off now. You want to take your screwdriver from your pack that has the big Torx on it. You're going to pry that into the little notch in the primary that you see here on the screen. You're going to push in so the clutch moves in, and then you're going to clamp your clutch clamp on. Just like that. And I will show you.
Show us the clamp.
So there's the clamp on there, keeping the clutch shivs kind of closed. We're going to roll it back. We're going to go about taking this weight out. So you want to take your Allen wrenches, take your socket, we're going to take that nut off, take the nut off. Okay, as you pull your bolt out, the pivot bolt, you want to make sure you grab these little spacers so they don't fly all over with your needle nose. Make sure you put them back in the same way. Don't worry about the weight, it's easier to get out and find than these little spacers. So there, and you got your weight out. Just like that. Voila. Sometimes this might take a few tries. It's even a little tougher for some of you experienced guys out there, but once you get the hang of it, it'll be easy. So I got one spacer in. I'm going to put the clutch weight in, pull the bolt back a bit, get this weight in there, just like that.
Sorry, I just hit you in the head.
That's all right. I'll put this spacer in there, pull the bolt back a bit, just like that. In it goes. Put your nut back on the pivot bolt. We're going to tighten it back up. Doesn't have to be super tight. It's fairly snug. It's a lock nut, so fine. Just make sure your clutch weight moves freely. You don't want it binding, or it'll slow the shift up. Then we're going to go back, put your little tool, your Torx screwdriver end in there in the little notch. Pull your clutch holder off, let it out nice and slow, and there you go. Please subscribe to us, it helps us out a lot, and we can get more videos to you just like this one.